In this video, I want to cover all the costs associated with the probate process. To start off with, you're going to have $465 to file your petition for probate. Once you are approved, you'll need to put a notification in the newspaper. That can cost $300 to $400 just to notify any potential creditors of the probate process. You're also going to need to pay any property taxes, mortgages that are due, any repairs to the home that might need to be done to get the house ready for sale. Now, some of these proceeds can come from the sale of the personal property, but they do have to come from the estate or from the executor. Other costs are going to be your realtor fees, your attorney fees, but those are generally paid after the house sells and through the proceeds of the sale of the home or at the conclusion of the probate court case in the case of attorney fees. So I hope this list helps you. And if you have any questions about costs or any other periphery items with the probate process, feel free to leave me a message and I'd be happy to get back to you and help you in any way I can. In the meantime, I'll be praying for you. Best of luck.